a little story about my 2005 Saturn Vue. Lube in Tucson jacked the drain plug, and the mechanic that fixed it had to retap it, and I can't get it out. I've tried everything from impact wrench to a long socket with a hammer, everything, and I just don't want to break that. So I went and bought me one of these oil extractors on Amazon, and I'm going to, I ran it for about, I guess 60 seconds to warm the oil just a little bit, and I'm going to run this down the place where you check your oil, or the dipstick goes. Can you get this right here? So this neat little thing, I came with very minimal instructions, but basically this goes on the battery. It's got an on-off switch. I had to put the hoses on. The bigger hose goes into the bucket, the smaller hose goes down into the dipstick. So they said to be very gentle and just don't force it. You don't want the oil to be hot, but you don't want it to be cold either. Oh, I got it.
Yeah.
Here it comes. Look how black that oil is. Very warm. But it's too late now, I can't run it. Alright, the frequency went up a little higher. This thing got a little hot. It's been going for a while. It's not sucking anymore at all. And it doesn't look like it got but 2 quarts of oil out of there. I know it was serviced up right, but that's as much as it would get. So now I have to take the filter off and hopefully get another couple of quarts out that way. But that's all I could get out of the dipstick. Well, that's about all I got out of there. I'm thinking that maybe it was because it was up on the ramps like it was backed out. So I got the filter off and got a little more oil out, filled it up about 3 quarts, and gonna run it about 3,000 miles and change it again. I'm really happy with this. It saved me a lot of trouble, and I can recommend it strongly. Thank you for watching.